Weasel, come over here. We need to stay close together.
Lieutenant!
What's back and keep your mouth?
There's no one out here, sir.
They're coming, Chief.
Shh. Thank God.
They've gone.
Oh, Reverend Mother, we're so sorry to put you through this.
Reverend Mother, we can never thank you.
After they've gone, we'll start. We've hidden our car deep in the woods.
Your car will do you no good. They've posted a guard on the road by the gate.
I've been listening to the wireless. The roads are blocked. The border's been closed.
I've always thought of these mountains as my friends. Now it seems they become my enemies.
No, not your enemies. Haven't you read, I will lift up mine eyes to the hills from whence cometh my help.
Georg, I know that mountain as well as I know this garden, and so do you. And once we're over it, we'll be in Switzerland.
What about the children?
We'll help them.
Father, we can do it without help.
But you'll have help, for you shall go out with joy and be led forth with peace. The mountains and the hills will break forth before you into singing.